Hey guys, I've really been in. I just realised there's penises on my whiteboard. Ignore that. But I just decided I'm going to vlog this weekend. Today is the 19th of May, I believe. Me and Alex are going to cinema for the first time since having Theo today, so that'll be cute. But yeah, I thought I'd just take you along the weekend. Let's go. This is little Theo. He is crawling now and he is very mobile, especially in this little thing here. Ignore my shitty kitchen. It's getting done, and it's been getting done for probably about a year now. As you can see, he's trying to pull these bottles. He's a right little wizard. If you haven't tried this coffee, iced coffee from Aldi, what are you doing? We're gonna have some of that. This is my very lazy breakfast for Theo. Some peanut butter and then butter on toast and some banana. Theo, there's your food. Ready to go. Don't forget about the little doggies. Grubs up. Have you had enough, little Bubsky? We lost a banana to the floor and a piece of toast to the floor, but he did eat a bit of toast. So, good job, little food man. A doggy with some eyeballs. Another doggy. Oh my god, don't jump on my lap. A baby. Nice bib you have there, mate. You look like one of those... You look like one of those dinosaurs with, you know, that the collar frill. Excuse me, doggy. No food for you. His bait's on the floor. It's all over. Ignore this horrible lino. It needs to get redone. Excuse me. What do you think you're doing, bro? I'm a mess of a garden. I'm just exposing myself right now. So I've just put Theo down for a nap. And I'm going to attempt to do the impossible and dye my hair and then have a shower while he's asleep. Pray for me. Just on one of Alex's work tops. They don't know what the dye tops are. But this is the colour I'm going to be doing. Mango twist. She's really cute. And my hair's actually got pretty long, to be fair. But obviously I'm not going to be putting on the brown bits, just like the blondie, orangey bits that are already there. Haven't done this before. We're getting there, we're getting there. Oh, I've actually got this absolutely everywhere. I'm not normally this messy, but I think it's because I'm panicking and rushing. And I haven't done it in a while, but it's just absolutely going everywhere. Doing my front piece now. I do want to make sure I've got absolutely everything. Dude, I'm getting this everywhere. No, because look at my leg. Oh dear. No, because why does it look like I've murdered someone? And I also managed to get some on my toilet seat. Oh no, I'm in trouble.
So we just have to fill that in. So this is how much we've done so far. Just got the other side to go. Shouldn't take us too long. We've done a fine job cutting this grass.
The realism of my makeup room. Ouch. I'm gonna tidy this. The hair has cooked, so I'm going to jump in the shower. Theo's still asleep, touch wood, and get this done. She's in her ginger era again. Love it. It's kind of like a natural ginger, which is nice, but obviously I do have brown in my hair and I really need to do the roots of my bunny pieces, but for that all day, she's looking cute. He's awake. Hi. Whoa. Did you scare yourself then? You nearly fell back. Hi. Say dad, 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 dad. You say dad, 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 dad. He can actually put himself to stand in here now as well. Wait, put your clothes in the bush. Little foots. Little foots. Little foots. Ow, 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 ow. Are you trying to eat the cud? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Doggy's daily dental stick. Whoa, piranha. Good. See how different Harvey takes. By the way, if you like your protein, you need to get these from Aldi's. I literally have them nearly every day. They're so yummy. Here you go, your lordship.
About fucking time.
Time. Yay.
Go on, take your baby side, mate.
Oh, I need to eat.
Oh.
I'm going to try and put him down.
That's
She's
gonna
going to
work well.
love. Yay, Theo, you're going to be nice for the vlog. Yeah. Top tier lunch, won't hear any different. With your little mini cheddars.
Go away.
What's those snacks you have there?
Some good snacks.
How many chocolate bars are you going to eat?
I don't know. Leave me alone. It's poo-poo time. I've been told to vlog this kind of literal shit. Off on your walk.
It's ready. Apart from this pesky spot that won't cover, but it's fine. We still look cute. We're now on the way to drop off the boyo, so we can go to the cinema. Are you excited?
Yes.
Mum and Dad talk. Are you excited? Even though we're not going to talk to each other the whole time because we're in the cinema, but I also talk.
I just watched Toy Story 4.
What did you think of it? Oh no, you can turn it on music now.
Oh, don't worry, I like that song.
Oh, sorry, copyright and that. We picked up our child. He is barely alive. No, joking, he is alive, but he was a little munchkin, as per usual. Can you tell? And now we're on our way home.
Are you done? I want to play my song.
Oh, sorry, Mr. Grumpskull. Yeah, but I haven't vlogged that we're in McDonald's.
Oh my fucking god, who cares?
Do you want your Tesserano?
I'll get it either way. Do you want your food? Because I didn't get any food, I'll drive off.
We just bullied us otherwise.
Shut up.
McDonald's mini fries. What's here? I bet these are limited edition as well, which makes me want to cry. I'm pretty sure before I had them with like some chili dip, but the girls just got ketchup. I'm actually balancing you with my knees. Alex is feeding his alcoholism by getting Desperano. And then we drank loads last night. Oh, pardon me. If you haven't had these, don't know what you're doing. Top tier. I wasn't even filming for that. I've locked him out. What's it worth? Nice alcohol you have there.
Take that. Just help me. You're the worst person in the world.
Sure, I actually forgot that you were locked out and I wasn't even filming for that.
Oh, then what are you filming for? Just your fat self stuffing your fat fucking face.
I just want to do your little fat belly in.
Wow. I feel it's a nightmare going to sleep.
You wouldn't know because you don't fucking help. Dad, Dad? Dad? Dad, Dad? Is that Dad, Dad?
He's like, hell no.
This is before mess. Oh my goodness. Wow, how do you feel about actually doing something in our garden for once?
Fuck off. Do stuff all the time.
You look so ginger in this lighting.
I left it for 1 month, okay?
What?
You've just got different grass compared to everyone.
Wow, magical growth grass. Like magical bullshit. You're trying to throw that bit on the floor? That's naughty. You gotta eat it. No, we're not throwing our whole plate on the floor, are we? No, okay. I don't think I've actually spoken here today. I'm trying to hide my absolute annoying spot here, but fun. Theo's having a little toasty. Well, it's a toasty opened up. He loves his cheese, don't you? The garden's coming along nicely. Alex is currently changing the battery in the van because it's gone downtown. But I'll show you the garden very shortly. So Theo just had some watermelon. Here's how it went. The floor. Hello, Boobala. Just in the garden. Getting some air on our leggies. Our pale leg club. Alex is going to get some tools because they can't change the battery in the van. Little halves. Hello, Boobala. Ooh, that's grass. Don't eat it. You're not a doggy. Ooh, a joggy walk.
Harvey went in there the other day and did shit.
Oh, thanks again. Where is Harvey?
Oh wow, I didn't know that was
Where's Harvey? Harvey!
Go get him, Rod. There he is.
What the hell did he go there for? Ooh. Ooh, ooh. I have to show you how cute Theo looks. He has the cutest little hat on. Hi! No, don't eat a buttercup. No, 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 no. We don't need to eat this. No, 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 no. Let me have this one. Don't kick off because I don't have anything.
Good job.
You fill me up, buttercup, but don't break my heart.
Dog's over there on the lead.
Where? Oh, wow. You ruined my song.
Sorry for...
Look at the beautiful blue sky and the yellow buttercups. And then there's this ugly mug.
Look at old pasty over there.
Excuse me, you already tan on the back of your legs. Whee! Someone's left some drawers that I want, and I've made Alex go get them, and he hates me. We're waiting. Okay, watch out. Yes, you love your mama. He's so awkward, I love it. The face of a man who hates me.
Yep.
What's Theo's new thing? Oh, thanks for that lovely dribble. Thanks for that. Oh my goodness. Please help me. Yes, yes, yes. Love you. You're annoying. Let's wrap up this weekend vlog. Say bye, Theo. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Look at little fat belly hanging over. Oh, so cute.